It's a 2008 Chevy Silverado 2500. Extended? Not extended. Long bed. Single cab. Really nice truck. I don't know, my mind was thinking extended for some reason.
What do you mean by that?
Anyways, got factory converters there and there. Then it widens into a single there. All 3-inch, as you guys can see. Then it continues 3-inch, and we added a 3-inch Cherry Bomb Extreme muffler, part number 7427CB. There'll be a link in the description for it. 2 1/4 tailpipe, so it equalizes to 4.5 inches of flow there and there. And then into 4-inch angle cut tips right there and right there, as you guys can see. Really nice, really clean. Came out beautiful. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Much better. 6.0 2500. Woo! Yummy. That sounds phenomenal. There's a gigantic bumper and tailpipe cut off. Sound this again. 106. What do you guys think? I like it. Ooh. Much better. That sounds phenomenal, guys. I'm sorry, guys, it's really windy today, so I'm trying to cover the mic. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Get on it, okay? Smash it.